India produces 358 million tons of food to feed 1.48 billion people, and this achievement relies on nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash. Phosphorus is especially important as it drives photosynthesis, strengthens roots, and supports crop reproduction. Diammonium phosphate (DAP) is the most common fertilizer, with India consuming 88.43 lakh tons annually. Each bag contains 46% phosphorus and 18% nitrogen, making it a powerful input for crop growth. Yet, years of continuous fertilizer use have altered soil conditions. Soils once deficient in phosphorus are now medium to high in content. The challenge is that crops absorb only about 20% of applied phosphorus, while the rest gets logged in the soil or washed away into water bodies. Bound phosphorus combines with minerals like iron, calcium, and aluminium, making it unavailable to plants. Runoff pollutes rivers and lakes, causing algae blooms and oxygen depletion. Excess phosphorus also reduces zinc availability, meaning more DAP does not equal more yield. It only raises cost and harms soil and water health. The solution begins with soil testing to identify actual nutrient needs. Integrated phosphorus management offers a smarter path. Organic manures, poultry waste, and microbes such as phosphobacteria naturally release logged phosphorus. Green manuring and organic inputs produce acids that dissolve bound nutrients, while microorganisms convert them into forms easily absorbed by roots. In soils already rich in phosphorus, single superphosphate (SSP) is a better option, as it supplies phosphorus along with calcium and sulfur. Balanced phosphorus use ensures sustainable farming, healthier ecosystem, and stronger rural prosperity. The message is clear. Soil testing first, smart nutrient use always. Save soil, save the nation.